Hello everyone, it's Susan Gerbic. Today I'm going to talk about gallery portraits. And this is something I've only recently learned how to do myself. And it really isn't all that complicated and it looks so nice on a Wikipedia page. I'm not sure 100% about the rules on this kind of thing, so if I'm telling you the wrong thing, then ignore me. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at some different kinds of galleries. Now I'm creating the Wikipedia page, recreating or rewriting the Wikipedia page for the amazing meeting. And of course, there's a lot of different meetings and there's a lot of different images. So what I'm doing is we've created some graphs and underneath them, I'm trying to kind of break up the photos. I don't want just like a single photo here, a single photo there. I want to put several photos. So on the page here, this little area you're seeing, I'm going to be putting different photos that have to do with the $1,000,000 challenge. And down here at the bottom, I have some photos of different awards. People, every time they've won an award, I'm going to put the photos down here. And then down here, I have some just random photos that I'm putting in that kind of tell the story of the amazing meeting. And I have a lot of different ones. And some of these I've taken myself. And some of these photos I've strong-armed other people to upload. And other ones I can pull from are at a Wikipedia page category. Of course, I can't find that it's open right at the moment, so who knows where that ended up at. And here's another example of a page that badly needs to have the gallery put in here. And this is a page I wrote a while back and I really didn't know what I was doing. So I'm not going to improve this page in front of you because I want somebody else to come in and do it. And so what it looks like is when I open this up, let's go down up here and I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to open it up so you can see what the code looks like. And what we're looking for is we're just going to put in some very simple code. Come on now. And here it is. It's this right here. It says gallery and it has the little lesser than, greater than signs. And then down here it has the lesser than and then the slash gallery and then the other sign. And everything that goes in between that is going to be where we're going to put the pages, the photos. So I have a photo up here that was uploaded for me by Ingrid Lars. She's the main photographer for TAM the last few years. And she's uploaded this to Wikimedia Commons for me. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the file name, and it should actually have a real file name, but this is one of the first things she's done, so I'm not too worried about it. And I'm going to go back to the area where I had the gallery, and it is down here for some reason. And actually, all I need to do is copy the whole darn thing, don't I? The file, and then the colon, and then that. And I'm going to paste it in here like that. And then I have to put the little pipe, I think that's what it's called. And then here's where I write down the caption. So let's see what she's written for the caption. TAM $11 million challenge. Well, let's see. Let's put down something more like Richard Saunders at the at TAM 2013. Okay, so we'll just put that just for the sake of having it like that. So now you can see how it's just very simple. You have to make sure you have this little pipe in here, and then you're putting the file name exactly as it's written. Now I can even probably hyperlink to Richard Saunders if I wanted to so that it goes to his Wikipedia page. But I have Richard Saunders hyperlinked in here several times, so I really don't need to. And then so I'm going to put over here really quick, added photo. And then I'm going to come down here and show preview, which is what we always do, right? And it will look like there. See it right there. Now I'll clean this up and make it look a little bit better. I'm just putting all these photos in here. I'm trying to get different people to upload photos. And if you look down here, you'll see that I'm trying really hard to get some different photos from different events, from Oz, from London, from some of the older TAMs, and I'm having a really hard time finding some photos from some old TAMs. I believe there's some categories that allow me to do it. Oh, here it is. Wikimedia Commons is media related to the amazing meeting. Oops. Let's stay on this page for the moment and let's hit save page. And we'll be done here in a second. And we will go over to Wikimedia Commons because this little link's down here, very handy dandy thing. Somebody's made a category page for Wikipedia photos for the amazing meeting. And there'll be a whole bunch. A lot of these I've taken also. Here we are. And some of them from Tam Oz, Tam London. And so I'm going to go through this and try to pick out whatever I want to put in here and using some of these photos. Maybe a picture of Christopher Hitchens. That would be great. Um, Looking over here, maybe this one at Tam London. That would be nice. Matt Stone from 2009, 7. That'd be really good to have something like that. These are some of the older Tams. I'm looking to see if I see anything. I think we already have something at um, Tyson. I'm not sure. This is Tam 6. That might be really good to have in there. Trey Parker at 2007. So I'll go through these and play and see what I want. And as usual, Wikipedia is editable by many people. So if somebody else didn't like that I'd put something up there or wants to take something down or change it around or whatever, more power to them, because it's a matter of opinion how we're going to do this. Oh, here's a little category up here. It says TAM 5. So we could actually pull out a photo from possibly from that one too. These are all these older photos of TAM 5, Christopher Hitchens and James Randi. So we get a little representation from some of the other older TAMs. But what I'm going to have to do probably is look and I've been using Lanyard a lot to try to find some older photos, people who were at the conferences in the old, in 2006, 2005, that kind of thing. And so hopefully I'll be able to find some photos somewhere. But anyway, that's how gallery works. And I encourage you to use it for people who are really interested in conference photos. Here's another one from TAM 2013 that I'm going to upload in a few minutes. And for conference photos or an event that there's a lot of different kinds of, you need to tell the story with photos. And I believe that TAM is one of those events where I'm going to have to tell the story with photos. Okay, so good editing. I'll see you over on Wikipedia.